Autosomal dominant and recessive inheritance, understanding the basics. Genetic. A fascinating field, and understanding inheritance pattern is the key to grasping how traits get passed down through generations. Today, we will dive into two important concepts: autosomal dominant, autosomal recessive inheritance. Let's start with the basic. Autosomal means refer to the 22 pairs of chromosomes that are not 6 chromosomes, X and Y. These are numbered chromosomes and are the same in both male and female. Dominant refer to a gene variant that only need one copy, inherited from one parent, to manifest its effect. Recessive refer to a gene variant that require two copies, one from each parent, to manifest its effect. Now, let's break down the two types of inheritance. Autosomal dominant inheritance. Imagine a gene like light switch. A dominant variant is like a faulty one switch. Even if the other copy of the gene is normal off, the faulty one overrides and the trait is expressed. In the case, a child only needs one parent with the dominant gene to inherit the trait. Think of Huntington disease as an example. The chance of the child to inherit a dominant gene from a parent is 50% of each pregnancy. Some key feature of autosomal dominant inheritance: the trait can skip generations if the affected parent doesn't pass on the dominant gene. Male and female are equally likely to inherit and express the trait. In both parents have the dominant gene, each child has 75% chance of inheriting the trait, a 25% chance of being unaffected and carrying one copy of the gene, and a very small chance of inheriting two copies and exhibit a more severe form of the condition. Autosomal recessive inheritance. No picture the light switch again. This time both copies need to be faulty for the light to turn on. A single normal copy of masks the effect of the recessive one. To have a trait, a child needs to inherit two recessive genes, one from each parent. Cystic fibrosis is a common example. Each parent who carries one recessive gene is considered a carrier and typically shows no symptoms. The chance of child inherit the recessive gene from each carrier parent is 25 for each pregnancy. Some key features of autosomal recessive inheritance: the trait usually appear in every generation where both parents are carriers. Male and female are equally likely to inherit and express the trait. In both parents have the condition, all children will inherit the trait.